Since Jesus Christ was sinless, he did not deserve death. Yet he died. How was this possible? First, we must understand he purposefully died for the sins of others. He died in the place of sinners who would put their faith in him, as their Lord and Savior. There is no greater love than this. By the death of innocent Christ, many sinners will escape the second death, which is eternal punishment. In addition, Jesus was falsely accused of breaking Jewish laws which demanded the death penalty. Jesus was not loved by the Jewish religious leaders. In fact, they hated him. Why did they hate a man who never sinned? It was because he spoke only truth. They did not want to hear or believe the truth. So they killed him. Today there are many religious leaders who do not want to preach or teach the truth. They prefer to live a life of lies. The lie that everything is well with their souls.